What is going on, my friends, and welcome back to Terry's Theories. I am Terry. Alright, so I've got a couple of interesting videos for you guys today. Now, every one of these videos is from the MUFON website, and the first video that I got was recorded on, it was yesterday, May the 7th of this year. It was freshly uploaded, and what we've got, we got a group of people that are by the ocean, doing their thing, and they spot something in the air. They see some crafts in a Chevron or V-shaped formation, like fighter jets would fly in. But now it is at a distance, but they can tell that they're not jets, and they're starting to trip out when they see this because they can't identify what they're looking at. Not saying this alien; it could be a new type of craft that we have. We've seen evidence of that on my channel. I've showed y'all what that truck was pulling. Could these be a squadron of those? I don't know. Check it out. Tell me what you think. Here we go.
I really wish I had a better camera. Todd, can you see this? You should get off the phone and videotape this, Todd. It's not. Todd, what is this? I can't see it on my camera on my phone when I look at it, but I can see it to look at the sky. It's like, you guys, that's the weirdest flippin' thing.
Now, the lady in the video was very excited about what she said. She says, "Todd, what is this?" I mean, she didn't understand what she was seeing. Now, I would think somebody would be able to spot aircrafts, what they are. I mean, we've all seen them before. But here, in this circumstance, she didn't know what she was seeing. Now, this is in Washington State, and I was stationed at JBLM, Joint Base Lewis McChord. It was an Army/Air Force base. So there is an Air Force base in Washington State. Could it be the test flight of a new aircraft? I don't know. I mean, very possible. Probably more that than it would be a fleet of alien ships. But either way, I wanted to share it with you. I know that we really can't see what it is, but they don't really appear to have the shape of an airplane, at least not at all times. Just tell me what you think, guys. I thought it was pretty cool. This next video is about a gentleman who records in slow motion to record lightning storms, and in doing so, he caught something pretty cool. Now, he stated that this object has to be moving about 600 feet per second. Now, when you're watching a video, keep watching towards the right of the screen. Now, it's at the end of towards the end of the clip here, and it has this object that just shoots by, and it shoots by pretty fast. And considering that it's in slow motion, it has to be moving really fast. So check this out and tell me what you think. I've seen something very similar to this before, and I've made several videos on this, and I'll put a link in the description below of these fast-moving objects that are being filmed or in farmlands, in woods, and normally they're caught by drones. Well, in this case, he's using a camera with slow motion, and they go by so extremely fast, if you blink, you'll miss them. They're too fast to be a bird, or at least not a bird as we know it. I wonder what these objects could be, and why we don't really know much about it. But check out the other videos that I've made on this and give me your opinion. What do you think that we're looking at? Are we looking at technology or biology? What could it be? I'm leaning more towards biology. Alright guys, so our next video was filmed on an airplane from Vancouver to Taipei, Taiwan. And what we got is a passenger looking out the window, and lo and behold, what does she see? But a fleet of white orbs, or tic tacs even maybe, below her plane. And now there was like 8 to 10 of these objects. And and she gets a pretty good recording of them. And now this takes place actually several years ago, 2014, on October the 16th. All right, check this out. So what do you think? You know, we've seen this activity before. Now, this was recorded in 2014, so it was a couple of years ago. And it appears to be a large formation of some type of crafts. It's too far away to tell what type. Could they be airplanes? Could they be military? I don't think so. I don't think that if it was a military operation, they wouldn't allow a civilian plane to fly overhead. Could it be Tic Tacs or orbs? And if so, what are they doing? Why are they here? You know, I really do feel like something's coming. You know, we got Elon Musk deploying all these the Starlink satellites, and you know they're saying that it's for Wi-Fi. I wonder if it was not for Wi-Fi. I wonder if it is like an early warning system. I wonder if it's some kind of defense satellites. I wonder if it's, you know, out there so we can get like heads up if something's coming our way, or at least be able to track whatever it is. Wonder if those Starlink satellites is a surveillance system, and it very well could be, and that's scary. But wonder if it's for tracking these crafts, these UFOs that have been caught. You know, they're in our atmosphere and they're unidentified. I wonder if there's a way for them to zoom in on them to see, you know, what they are. Very possible. And it probably has that capability. It's actually pretty scary what those satellites could do. I mean, it could be just a total invasion of privacy. Privacy could be out the window. Probably already is. But I don't know. Just something I thought of. Alright guys, so our next video comes from Stockton, California. But before I get to that, I would like to share a photograph that was sent in to me by subscriber Nuke. Now, this photograph is of Mars. It was taken by the Curiosity rover. And what was captured by accident, if you look in the left-hand corner of the photo there, you can see what looks like to be a spherical-shaped UFO, quite similar to the ones that we've seen here on Earth and also on Mars. I've seen these objects on Mars as well. I've seen one just hovering, look like to be feet off the ground. But this one appears to be in the sky, maybe checking out what the rover's doing, maybe monitoring us. So, pretty cool. Wanted to share that with you. Came from subscriber Nuke. Now, our next video comes from Compton, California, and we've got a group of guys that are hanging out, and they see something in the sky. They see several orbs moving across the sky, so they start recording. And as they're talking about it and trying to figure it out, one of them gives off a really bright flash. All right, check this out.
Look at that thing, is so high up there, and yet you
There's another one! There's another one! Oh my god, guys, there's like UFOs. There's another one! Look how bright it is! Oh my god! That's a UFO! I'm recording it. It keeps coming back. Another one. Oh my god. There's a fleet of them.
Those are not satellites.
That's not a satellite. A satellite would not do that. It's in formation.
Look at it, and it stopped.
Oh, and it stopped. It's moving.
It's looking.
There was another one. There's another one. What the is that? And it's bright. Oh my god. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. That's scary. Dude.
So pretty cool. Now, we've seen orbs flash before. Usually they flash when somebody is pointing a laser pointer at them. That's what I've seen happen before. They respond to somebody hitting them with a laser sight. So I wonder why they do that. You think they're saying, hey, they're trying to communicate, so we'll flash back. I don't know the reason why this one did it. Still pretty interesting on how that happened. Alright guys, so that's the end of the video. I guess I'm going to wrap it up here. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe. And make sure that the reminder bell is pressed. Make sure you're getting reminded about the videos. And if you guys would like to donate to the channel, to the Nikon Coolpix P1000 camera fund, we're at just about $200. That'll be great. You can donate through PayPal or Patreon. They're listed in the description below. Alright guys, have a good one. This is Terry with Terry's Theories. Terry out.